Why do 80% of local searches lead to a visit within 24 hours? It's all about visibility. Let's unlock the potential of Google My Business. First things first, set up and verify your Google My Business account. Head to the Google My Business website, sign in and follow the easy steps to get verified. Next, optimize your profile for local SEO. Add accurate business details, a catchy description, and upload high-quality photos. This makes your business look professional and trustworthy. Now let's talk reviews. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and always respond to them, even the not-so-great ones. Engaging with reviews shows you care about your customers. To rank higher in local searches, keep your info up to date and post regular updates. Share news, special offers, and events. This keeps your profile fresh and engaging. Finally, use insights to understand how customers find you and where they come from. Adjust your strategy based on this data to drive more traffic and grow your business. So, get started with Google My Business today and watch your business soar.